Today we are vaccinating our staff for the COVID-19 vaccine. We are doing Moderna today here, and we are trying to maximize the capacity of vaccinating our own staff at Pasadena Unified School District.
PUSD is hosting the COVID-19 vaccination clinics because we have been approved to be a provider of the vaccine. We have had a relationship with the Pasadena Public Health Department and with the LA County Department of Public Health in the past to provide flu vaccines to our community, to our students, and to our staff. And this work is a result of that collaboration. It's just a natural relationship to have, to take care of our community.
I'm very happy that the school district offered this to the staff. I think it's necessary and it's helpful and it's the right thing to do.
I think this vaccination clinic is really important to PUSD in Pasadena because we want to get our kids back in school. Online learning is good, but I think in-person learning is so much better for the kids and for their families and for everybody, teachers, for the schools. I think in-person is just so much better. They learn so much more when they can be with their peers and they can be with the teacher.
So we want our students to be back on campus. It's not only good for our education system, it's also good for their social emotional learning. They need to get back to who they need to be the students, be with their peers, be with their classmates, and interact with them. We are human beings. We need to socialize. We want to be able to say hello to the population. We want to be able to be part of that.
I got the shot because of the children, so I could come back and it would be safe, that we could get back to work and work with our children.
It's actually quite an amazing collaborative effort among the district staff to not only show that we're here to take care of our own, but to actually be present on site and take care of each other.
I am thrilled to be a part of this initiative to support vaccinating my colleagues so that we can return safely to school. This is a huge social justice issue for many of our students, and it feels like an honor to be able to volunteer in this capacity.
I want to do my part to have PUSD get vaccinated so that we can all go back to work sooner. I feel like we all need a little bit of normal back in our lives.
I got the shot because I feel it's necessary to help get rid of COVID and also to show an example to people who are afraid to get the shot.
Well, I would suggest everyone get vaccinated because we want to create safety for people who can't get vaccinated. So there are people who are either immunocompromised, the very young who can't get vaccinated. There's no vaccine for children yet. So we want everybody else to be vaccinated so all those other people are surrounded in a cocoon of safety. For people that are vaccine hesitant, I would say, please do come in. We will hold your hand. We'll walk you through it. We'll watch you very carefully. There's really no reason to not get this shot.
It's not one person, it's a team. That's why we call this an emergency unit team, that they know what they're doing, and without their help, we couldn't do that.
I think it's very important for you to come out, not be afraid, go ahead and get your shot so we can get back to what we need to do.